Hi, my name is Richard White. I go by Cole. I'm the field accountant here at ESP, and I'm who you're going to talk to when you need an invoice sent to our client. We're trying to help people as best we can in a horrible situation. Get back to a normal life as fast as possible. Makes life easier because it's such a difficult time. The better we can do our job, the faster we can do our job, it's going to make life so much easier on them. I came from a company that was huge. We did a lot of business, but you're kind of a faceless person in that cog. Even though I had a great experience there, this is for more of a tight-knit group. Everyone knows everyone. It's going to be more like a family environment. Everyone expects, high things from one another. We really appreciate one another. I think that's some of the biggest things I've seen. I'm kind of just a piece of a puzzle, but that puzzle ends up being a pretty big effect on people's lives. I'm born and raised Texan, proud through and through Texan. I went to Texas A&M University. That's my school. That's really my number one in all the sports. But for professional football, it's Dallas Cowboys.
I'm going to insert
Denver Broncos. Who's your team?
I love it dearly, and I think that one of the biggest things about us Texans is we're caring people. No matter if we know you or we don't, we're going to take care of you. We're going to treat you kindly. Even if people like Denver Broncos fans come into town, we're going to share a beer together and have a good time. ESP is a great place to come to work if you want to be a part of something that's growing into something special. It's a tight-knit group. We are expanding and getting bigger. It's a caring place. Going back to the owner, Chris, from meeting him for the first time, is obviously he cares about what he does. He cares about his people. He treats us all great. I think everyone wants to be appreciated. Everyone wants to be treated kindly. Everyone wants to seem like what they're doing has a purpose. And I think it's true here. That's the kind of thing we want to pass on to our clients. We want to treat them the same way. And so we always say, treat those like you want to be treated. I think ESP exemplifies that. I've seen some of the videos that we've made at previous companies and ESP showing, talking to our clients and how thankful they are, the work we did. And it's good to see that we can help out in those moments.